We've all heard horror stories about people having thousands of dollars in medical bills after an auto accident. So how does that get paid and who's responsible? Here are some key points to consider so that your medical bills get paid and you don't end up with a massive financial burden. After an auto accident, the at-fault party's insurance company should be responsible for paying your medical bills, but that doesn't always happen. A lot of times, the insurance company will argue that your treatment wasn't necessary or reasonable, or that your medical bills were too high. Getting a personal injury attorney involved can help make sure that you get the treatment that you need and make sure that it gets covered by the at-fault party's insurance. If you've gone to the hospital or an urgent care after the accident and used your health insurance, that's fine. We want your health insurance to pay those emergency provider bills. But typically, to try and get treatment under your health insurance for the remainder of your injuries is a bit difficult. One, most likely your primary care physician or any other doctor that typically just takes only health insurance won't see you if you've been involved in an auto accident. One of the first things we do when we meet with our clients is get them set up for any ongoing treatment under what's called an attorney lien. An attorney lien is a contract between the medical provider, you, and our office. And essentially, it's a promise to repay the medical provider for any treatment that you receive from any settlement or judgment that you're awarded in the case. That way, you don't have to pay any medical bills out of pocket and you can still get the treatment that you need now. Another benefit of getting a personal injury attorney involved is after we set you up for your initial treatment, we then monitor your ongoing treatment. If the medical providers want to send you for any imaging or want to refer you out to any specialist, that will all go through our office and we'll approve that under the lien. We're also monitoring the balances of your medical bills and making sure that you're staying within whatever the applicable policy limits are for your case. Once you're done treating, we then get all of your medical bills and the supporting documentation together, and we send that to the insurance company in a demand. We're asking them to pay your medical bills and then pay you something on top of that for the pain and suffering. If you have any other questions about your coverages or about your auto policy and what coverages to have, please give us a call at 702-381-8888.